Hey everyone, it's Chris O. How you doing? I'm starting to sheet this bathroom. I've just slapped this one up. I'm about to cut that one outside and I'll bring it in and pop it in. So I've marked it. I'm in the hinterland of Mount Tambourine. It's up on a mountain, and it's all very tranquil, rainforesty. The temperature is usually about 6 degrees lower than down on the coast, but it's coming on to summer. So, but it can get really cold up here. I wouldn't live up here, it's too cold. But it doesn't snow or anything. It's not that cold. But it would get down to, I don't know, probably 5, I suppose. 5 degrees, which is what I'm used to is pretty cold. I don't cut it all the way through. I've got Liam back here today. He's a great little helper. I'm blown away. If you can just hold it, mate, and I'll put some bit of poop on the framework. This is all what do you call them? Not fire ants, termites. This is real termite country because you're in the hinterland, and I've noticed a screw sticking out. I'll just cut that off. Right, nothing in the way. I'm going to be putting in 2 niches here, but I've taken photos of where my nog is and all that jazz, my studs. I'll be making them like in between the studs. There like that, so we're not cutting any metal framing out. This has all been done, this metal framing has all been done in a factory and carted out here and craned onto site because it's all welded, it's not screwed. Right, let's pop it in, Liam. Pop your bottom down first.
Is that right?
No. Go down. That's it. That's it.
Flush on the floor, yeah.
Yep. Get a bit of a kick. That's it. That's the first time Liam has ever put in a sheet, so he wasn't quite sure.
What happened there?
That one doesn't want to go in, so we'll do another. That got the sucker.
Doesn't like these. The drill bit doesn't like the screws.
Ooh.
At least that's not going anywhere.
Yeah, this steel framing is
It's
thicker. It's a thicker frame than what you buy at the hardware store or the supplier.
probably because
So it's heavy duty stuff.
yeah. I reckon it's for the balcony. If it wasn't on the balcony.
It's heavy duty stuff. Okay, I'll come back to you shortly. I'll just well, I've got to plumb down, get a bit of a straight line. And I know where to screw. This floor, I'm replacing it tomorrow. I'm putting in a 20mm sheet of ply, marine ply. So I'll cut out a whole section and screw it down. Like even the joists are steel, so there's no timber in this house whatsoever. So it's not going anywhere, that's for sure. I've got a Sparky coming out shortly because there's a heated towel rail going in there. And I want him to just check this out because there's got to be 2 wires for the mirrors that are lit up.
One for each ear. Oh.
Okay, I'll carry on screwing that up and I'll come back to you shortly. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.